Okay, tool is set up and snap ring is installed. It just pushes down and evenly with pressure, and like I said before, I've done this before with a couple flathead screwdrivers, me and my wife, and it is a pain in the ass without this tool. So this guy's done and this guy's in. You want to walk around that snap ring with a flathead screwdriver and make sure that it's in. Same thing on Mr. Rob. And I'll be back when his is set up. Alright, tool installed and removed. Air checking it. It's good. That's air check hole. Let's walk over here to air check Harry's. Alright, fourth clutch piston's in. Air check good. Now it's time for the overrun housing and the actual fourth clutches. Alright, overrun. This piston was already built. Here's our first clutch going to go in. Steel. Oh, spec trash. Clutch. And a backing plate. And a snap ring. Then I'm going to take this washer, which has a bevel, and you can see the mark on it if it will focus. Anyways, there's a mark that rides on that snap ring, so I know it goes that way. Then the planetary is going to go on upside down, and it's going to sprag in there. Okay, so the overdrive planet is in. You always want to look at these splines, make sure they look good. Sometimes they crack in the higher horsepower cars. Next thing we're going to do is going to slide the input shaft in. And once you slide the input shaft in, first I need two hands. The input shaft goes in. Next we got to do is put that little snap ring on it. There it is, finally focused. Once I get the snap ring in, you'll see that there's going to be some thrust movement there, and I'll talk about that in a second.